Welcome to my channel. Today we crochet the back strap. In this tutorial, we make 60 chains. If you want longer, just make more chains. Be sure multiple of 2, for example 80, 120, etc. Mark on the 60th chain. Find the back lumps. Into the first back lump and pull yarn. Next into next back lump and pull yarn. Repeat until there are 6 loops on the hook. Then pull yarn through the loops together. Chain 1, that's the first group. Please watch the video carefully to make the second group. Be sure to find the exact side to insert the look. Insert the center of the first group and pull. Insert the outside loop of the first group and pull again. Insert the last back lump of the first group and pull again. Insert next back lump and pull again. Insert next back lump and pull again. That's the second group. The third group. Repeat to the end. The last group. The last group be finished. In the last stitch, make a half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Into the middle of every group, make 2 short crochet stitches. Repeat. Repeat to the end. At the 60th chain, take off the marker. Hook goes into it. Then slip into the last stitch. Chain 1. From here, slip 1 by 1. Now arriving the terminal. Into the center of the last group, make 3 short crochet. Now the second edge, all slip stitches 1 by 1.